Hi little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and super cute. A funny and adorable umbrella. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our black marker and get started. Let's start by drawing the top of the umbrella. Draw a big half circle, just like this. Now, close the bottom of the umbrella with tiny half circles. Now draw some curved lines starting from the top center to the edges of each little half circle. These lines make our umbrella look real and full. You're doing amazing! Let's make our umbrella happy and funny. Draw two big round eyes with glasses. Add tiny eyelashes and a cute smiling mouth in the middle. Our umbrella is so cheerful. Now add tiny circles on the edge of each ruffle. Now let's draw the umbrella handle. Draw a long line going down, and then curve it like a candy cane. Great job! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Trace over the lines carefully with your black marker. It's looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's bring our umbrella to life with colors. Here are the colors we'll use. Rose red color.
Wow!
Pink color. Purple color. Red color. Yellow color. Orange color. Well done, little artists! You did a fantastic job drawing and coloring your funny umbrella. Don't forget to smile like your umbrella does. Subscribe for more fun drawings here at Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time.
Yay!
Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.